Do you store your tape like this in wire spools like this? Because if you do, there's a better way that allows you to have easy access to pull the spools off when you need them without having to play this nightmare of a game of trying to pull things off and dropping them. So this is as far as I can take the project right now. I ran out of dowels, so this is all I can make at this point. You notice I only put one screw on each side. You could put two in. I had the holes already there with the sheetrock anchors, so I just used them, put one in, called it good. It's plenty strong enough, it's not going anywhere. So my next project will be to do this again, put another one of these right below it for my wire spools, and the project should be done. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.